So me and my family just got back home from Zets. We caught 6 fish. We ended up did the easiest way to make sure they weren't suffering anything on the ride back. Got some nice big ones. When my stepdad gets to where he can help work on cleaning them up and everything, I might make a video on them individually so you guys can see what exactly we got. But other than that, have a good rest of the night, and I'll probably post a small video about when I go down to the fair and everything. And yeah, so have a good rest of your day, people.